Hi friends, I'm Sai. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the fingerprint speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Poco F2 Pro device. As you can see friends, so this is a Poco F2 Pro which I'm using currently right now, and it is a Realme X7 Pro device which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor. So let me quickly show you the specifications. As you can see here, 1000 plus, and it is a Poco F2 Pro which has a Snapdragon 865 processor. So both phones are having the in-display fingerprint scanners, and in this video I'll be trying to compare speed test which phone has a better fingerprint scanning unlocking and which has a faster as well. So I'll try to talk about the fastness, and I'll try to talk about what are the advantages and what are the options we do get in the settings as well. I'll try to go through each and every feature in this video. So make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, in case if you're watching my videos for the first time, and also do check the links in description. As always, I did upload so many videos on the Poco F2 Pro and Realme X1 Pro as well, as you can see here. So make sure to check the links in description and follow me regularly for more updates on these smartphones. So let's get started friends. First thing is that let me quickly open the fingerprint scanner in both the smartphones, and let me try to show you what are the options we do get in this phone. So what are the different settings available in the fingerprint scanner. So this is a Realme X1 Pro device. So you can see these are the options where you can add up to 5 fingerprints in both the smartphones, so not more than that. So only 5 fingerprints you can add, and you can use the fingerprint scanner even for the screen unlock and app lock and private safe and app installation and the SMS payments as well. So for example, if you are installing any other third-party applications, so you need to even if you enable this option, no one will be able to install the applications. That's a really good useful feature in the Realme phones, so which has got pretty useful friends. So for example, no one, if you're not around and if someone tries to install any third-party applications, and definitely they need this kind of fingerprint authentication to install that application. That's a really good feature which helps a lot of privacy as well. So we do have so many this kind of 4 important things you can use as a fingerprint, and there is also a fingerprint animation thing is going on. So I think where there are let me count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 different animations are there in the Realme smartphone. And next is that screen off lock. So you can always keep an option show the fingerprint scanner icon even when the screen is in lock position. So usually I'll try to leave it like that with the fingerprint always on in the when the phone is in off mode. So let's get started with the Poco F2 Pro. What are the options we do have here, and we can add up to 5 fingerprints in this Poco F2 Pro as well. And you can use the fingerprint scanner even for these 4 things. So privacy, password, app lock, and the shortcuts. There's other option for the shortcuts as well, but I did not try to use this option, but if in case if you want, you can use. And fingerprint payments authentication as well. That's a really good advantage here. And let me quickly show you the what are the animations we do have here. So there are only 4 different animations which is present in the Poco F2 Pro. It's not so many animations. So whereas in the Realme phone we did find close to 8 different animations in the Realme smartphone, but there are only 4 animations in the Poco F2 Pro device. And finally, show the fingerprint icon when the screen is in off mode. Even if you want, you can enable that and disable that. So overall it seems to be pretty fine and close to each other. So only things that I did like in the Realme phone is about the having more animations and having this privacy concern about the app installation. That's 2 things which I particularly like in the Realme smartphone. So now let me quickly show you what is the position of the fingerprint scanner in both the smartphones. So these are the 2 phones close to side to each other, and you can see the placement of the fingerprint scanner as well. So where it's located, as you can see friends, so slightly higher in the Poco F2 Pro. So in the Realme X1 Pro slightly bottom, as you can see. So now let me start unlocking both the phones with the fingerprint scanner. As you can see friends, both phones did unlock pretty faster. And I do get the very good feedback from both the smartphones. So in terms of the haptic feedback, both are really good phones in terms of the haptic feedback. So no issues with that. As you can see friends, both are really fast enough to unlock the device without any issues. So alright friends, both phones are really good in unlocking, and this is a quick comparison between the specifications and what are the things you need to know before buying these devices as well. So thank you friends for watching this video. In another video I'll try to do the Face ID unlocking speed test as well, so make sure to check that video in case if you haven't checked. And for this kind of live wallpapers, so make sure to check the links in description as well for the wallpaper playlist. So the playlist will be available for the wallpapers separately, so that will be helping you a lot in terms of knowing this kind of wallpapers. And thank you friends for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.